Good morning. With low pressure to the north of us this week, it's the north that's likely to see wet and windy weather at times, whereas high pressure is closer to the south, so here it will be drier and sunnier. I'll have all the details shortly. Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. Well, Sarah, we've got a bit of everything this week. It really is mixed. We've got low pressure close to the north, which means that we're looking at wet and windy conditions at times, whereas high pressure is closer to the south. So here it's going to be drier and warmer, not bone dry, but just drier. So we've got some heavy rain this morning across Scotland and also Northern Ireland. That's going to be pushing slowly southwards and eastwards. It could pep up later on across Northern England, and here we could have some heavy thundery downpours. To start the day too in the west, a lot of cloud and also some drizzle. But as this weather front sinks south, it will brighten up behind it, and ahead of it, it will also be a fairly bright day with some sunshine coming through. Temperature-wise today, well, we're looking at 16 in Lerwick to about 26 in Norwich. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, our weather front's still with us, initially still heavy and thundery in northern England, but as it pushes steadily southwards and eastwards, it will tend to weaken. Now, behind it, some clearer skies around, and temperature-wise, this is what we're looking at, 12 to about 16 degrees. It's going to be quite a humid night. Tomorrow we start off with our weather front really continuing to fizzle as it pushes towards the southeast, eventually clearing. Then behind it, sunshine, but there'll be frequent showers across western Scotland and also Northern Ireland. It's also going to be windy in the north and the west, but particularly the northwest itself, with temperatures 16 in Lerwick, 21 in Aberdeen to 25 in Norwich. So really topsy-turvy weather as we go through this week. Sarah and Ben.
Carol, do you get wool? No.
It is, well, it depends. We tend to think of summer as long, hot summer days, as in not much rain around. The same at Christmas, we expect a white Christmas, but summer is varied, Ben. We do get a lot of showers around. It's just that perhaps some of us don't want them and some of us want higher temperatures, but not everybody. So although it has been quite wet of late, this is kind of what we should expect.
Yes, as for